So, here is a question which says botanical gardens and zoological parks have, where botanical gardens are also taxonomical aid, zoological parks are also taxonomical aids. But along with zoological parks, we listen something called as Zoological Museum. Zoological museums are also taxonomical aids. So now we are going to see difference between zoological parks and zoological museums. So if I see the difference, zoological parks and museums. In zoological parks, animals are kept in open or large enclosures. We mean to see we don't find typical small sized cage containment of an organism. The animals will be free to move, but the enclosure will be large. Whereas in case of zoological museum, we see dead animals. Or well protected in rooms, closed enclosure. And in case of zoological parks, we see live animals. In case of zoological museums, we see stuffed animals. Their parts like skeleton, bone, vertebrae, products, eggs, etc. When it comes to products, egg, maybe a fossilized larva, etc. are preserved. Then the third difference is fossils are not displayed, and the third difference under museums is fossils are displayed. Then we have the fourth difference. Certain groups of animals are only shown. I can't keep every animal in the above definitions. Certain groups of animals are shown. Displayed or shown. But here almost all groups of animals are shown. This is the difference between zoological park and museums.